Good evening, traders. In this video, I'm going to talk about the Telegram channel that we have started, a couple of days ago. Okay, guys, I'm just going to share this thing with you so that you people can understand the way of working. You know that I'm posting free signals on my Telegram channel, and that signals can be two, three, or one or two. So it depends that how many signals I'm going to give so that some traders who are not initially going to pay for the services, they can understand that we are giving the quality work on the Telegram. Okay, so let's say, for example, I have given the sell signal for Great Britain Pound JPY at 7:42 p.m. by my time, and that was a sell signal on Great Britain Pound JPY from 143530. So guys, first of all, make sure that when I'm going to talk about the Telegram channel, then I'm talking about the scalping. I'm not talking about very long trades. If I will give any long trade, then definitely I will tell this thing through my Telegram channel. So after some time, you can see that 143530 was the sell position. That was the entry, and then we have seen a drop on Great Britain Pound JPY, and then I have appreciated this thing in the form of the appreciation. You can see some good thumbs up on Great Britain Pound target achieved, and it's down. So that was a scalping signal. And guys, this is one of the happy trader result. He has done some scalping on Great Britain Pound JPY, and you can see that he has achieved this result, and this screenshots belong to today. It was the 13th of December 2018, like $8 on Great Britain Pound JPY. And if you look at this thing, because my signal was sell, so he constantly tried to sell the pair all the time, and you can see within one signal he has made a good number of profit with no problem. Okay, now let's move ahead. So guys, similarly, I have supplied the bullish signal right in the morning, right at 4:48 p.m. and USD Canadian was moved up from 133,630. So if you were online on that time and have done scalping on this, and also I think Great Britain Pound AUD has also went up, that was a free signal. So guys, make sure that you must understand that you need to trade these signals when I give the signals, because do not waste the time. Timing is very important. Whenever you receive the signal from my side, then you need to simply apply them on your MT4. But make sure that it breaks the entry that I have provided in my signals report. So guys, if you want to subscribe to my signal service, I have set up a very decent price of $100 a month, and I will send various signals in different intervals of time, and then you will be able to catch some good trades. Also guys, if we talk about Euro USD, that's the previous result for 12th of December. Some a happy trader has made some good thing, and Euro USD was a bullish, and happy trader enjoyed it. And like here, sell Great Britain Pound New Zealand now. And sometimes I will also send the send the signals in the form of stop loss too. So guys, do not mix this thing with the regular signal service, because the regular signal service that I send through email is based on full day trading. However, this Telegram service is only based on scalping. So guys, for example, look at here. I have given the sell signal the day before. Sell USD JPY if it breaks below 113401. Do not take a trade if it does not break this level clearly. And after that, guys, we have seen a good drop on USD JPY. So these are the some screen shots related to it. And after that was the appreciation. Client's private scalping screenshot with my recommendation, and with USD JPY target achieved. Congratulations. Read the morning message below. Sell USD JPY if it breaks 113.401. So guys, if you look at here, that message was conveyed in the morning, and then the review was provided later at 6 p.m. So this is how I provide the signal. So like other signals, I will provide definitely, like AUD USD signal hit I have provided the AUD USD signal. I'm just going searching it here, that where I have provided. So that was the appreciation for this. So I sometimes I will also leave the messages. I'm not sure. Okay, guys, look at this one. So guys, keep an eye on AUD USD. It can make bullish momentum tonight. It is expected to bullish in some hours, because when I published this message, if you look at this time, then it was 3:25 a.m. by my time. It was very late and I was going to sleep after that time. So later on, when I have came up in the morning, I have clearly see that the AUD USD has went up, and congratulations, AUD USD signal hit 100%. Please refer to the previous post below, guys. Keep an eye on AUD USD. It can that was the previous mistake. Also, sorry, that was the previous post. Also, if you look at here, I have supplied the sell signal on USD Canadian dollar 1.34134, and finally USD Canadian dollar also went down, and that's the appreciation for it. Congratulations, target achieved. So guys, this is the free Telegram channel at the moment. That's you are looking where I share 1 or 2 free signals a day, and you know that I have made the video yesterday about this, and 154 subscribers came to my Telegram channel right from my YouTube channel. So guys, you can also subscribe to my YouTube channels. You must subscribe the YouTube channel and also join me on Telegram, because those subscribers who do not have the trust in the services, they can try the free signals. And I have also started the premium group here in Telegram, because it's more about giving only 1 or maximum 2 signals in the free section. But if you want to get the premium signal, then I have mentioned that it's for $100 a month. And guys, you can contact me on my email, info@200forexwebs.com. I'm just giving you the screenshot here so that you can look at here, info@200forexwebs.com. So guys, here is the email. You can see info@200forexwebs.com. Just write to me that you want to join the Telegram channel, and then I will definitely provide you with the payment methods. And once you make the payment, then please pass me your Telegram username, and I will add your username into the premium group, and then you will be able to catch some good number of tips. Okay guys, this is all about the analysis that I have given today based on the Telegram channel, not based on the full day trading signal. So this is all about the scalping that we have done today, and I have shared the review with you, and hopefully I will also keep on making videos for the Telegram, so that you people can also understand the service and the difference between the full day trading report as well as the Telegram channel trading reports. Okay guys, so please send your inquiries on info@200forexwebs.com, and guys, have a great day. Bye.